everyone, Adrienne here with Benji from Yoga with Adrienne, and we are so excited to partner and collaborate with UNICEF to bring you this special Reimagine Yoga playlist. First of all, it is such a treat to be able to reach out to new friends and to support an organization whose work I'm just astounded by and believe in. Second, it's so wonderful to be able to share the tools of yoga during times like these where we are being challenged and things are uncertain, and often that can lead to us feeling unwell. We can feel anxiety, we might feel lonely, or our physical bodies just might not be feeling their best. So as your friend and yoga guide, I want to remind you that it's okay to feel stressed and anxious, and it's okay to feel lonely. But through practices like yoga, we can really transform that energy and get you feeling your best again. We want you to feel your best because when you feel good, you're better equipped to help your neighbor or a loved one feel good. And so it creates this beautiful ripple effect. But self-care can also be really fun. So this collection of yoga videos is one that the whole family can enjoy. This is a series of practices that is suitable for all levels and all ages. And I invite you to take your time. You can do one a day, or you can come to them just when you're feeling like you need some movement. Remember that yoga is not just beneficial for the physical body, but it's also a really wonderful practice for good mental health and for emotional health as well. So I hope you enjoy this beautiful Reimagine collection. And if you're not familiar with the work that UNICEF is doing, please take this opportunity to acquaint yourself with them. I am so proud to be able to share this collection and support UNICEF, and it is really my great honor and pleasure to share these yoga videos with you. If you enjoy them, please subscribe to the Yoga with Adrienne YouTube channel, and I will see you guys on the mat. Take good care. Namaste.